Hey, what's going on guys? John here, and today I wanted to do a video review for CHAVA. In this video I'm going to walk you through some of the ingredients. We'll go through the bag, I'll show you what the actual powder looks like, the serving cup, and we'll just kind of go through and I'll give you some of my overall thoughts now that I've been drinking this for roughly about 2 weeks. So I actually saw this company. They really put themselves out there in terms of running advertising and things like that, and I had tried some similar competitors to, you know, types of products that are like this, advertising really that kind of superfood, almost meal replacement style shake, and so far I've been very happy with this one. So let's kind of go through the actual bag itself. It says a blend of organic superfoods and plant-based proteins inspired by ancient wisdom, all your essential nutrients in the whole body meal. This is chocolate. You can get this in other flavors. The bag on this is pretty good. I've seen, you know, competitor products where you like tear a seal and then it's like impossible to try to get it back together. This one actually has a piece here that you tear out, and then this reseals pretty easily, so you're not like tearing the actual bag. So that's something I do like about the packaging. The powder itself, pretty much self-explanatory in terms of what you'd expect. It just looks like almost like a chocolate protein powder. You have a decent sized scoop here. It usually does recommend 2 scoops for each serving, and I found that doing that with some added fruit, my kind of go-to is basically mixing this with some kind of fruit. I'll usually do like this morning I did like a banana. I might do like banana and strawberries or other various types of fruits, and then I'll mix in a very small amount of peanut butter just to kind of add some flavor to it, and it tastes absolutely amazing. If I drink this in the morning with that serving size, you know, just filling it with like some almond milk, then I'll probably be good until lunchtime. In terms of some of the other benefits, it's vegan, gluten-free, no soy, no dairy, no artificial sweeteners, flavors, any of that stuff, no preservatives. This is basically a 240 calorie meal, and then they go through, it's got 7 grams of fiber, which is really good, 25 grams of protein, 26 essential vitamins and minerals. And then it has on the back here, it goes through and kind of talks about the plant-based protein blend, the omega fiber blend, has some antioxidants and superfruit, and then it has an adaptogen blend. So you've got things like maca root, mateki mushroom, reishi mushroom, ginger root, etc. Super greens, vegetable blend, and then it has some probiotics in it as well as digestive enzymes. I've definitely found when taking this, I feel a little bit better during the day as well. Definitely feeling a little bit just like more evened out in terms of like regularity, things like that throughout my day. But yeah, overall I've been very happy with CHAVA. I think if you're looking for a decent meal shake here, and Merlin had to join us for the review, I think this is definitely a good bet to go with. Overall I've been very happy with it, and I think if you're looking for something to, you know, drink in the morning, things like that, then you know, this probably would be a good bet. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video review, and hopefully you found it helpful.